baseline. Blocked by Andre. 4 seconds to shoot. Latina for 3. Too strong. 24-second shot clock violation. Tatawag kontra Rizal. Three and 46 remaining. Still a 6-point lead para dito sa Mighty Warriors. 63-57. Gadan. Now La Rosa. Inside Andre. The tough shot once again. Rebound Perez. Rizal will run. Vergara. Messi. Great. It's a ball stolen from him. They go to Gadan. A hold will be called against Villas. So free throws na naman para kay Andre Ugadan.
Sayang yung opensa ng Rizal na yun, no? Sana naka-convert sila.
One of two earlier para kay Andre Ugadan. Able to hit on the first. 9 out of 18 in total para dito sa San Juan in this ball game. They can make it 2 for 2. Two-possession ball game now, 64-57. Liga. Finds an open. Perez short on that jumper. He stepped on that baseline. Babalik ang bola sa San Juan. Makabagong San Juan will call for a timeout. Still up by 7 with 2:49 remaining here in this game. Timeout brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile. Final 2:49. Dito sa ating game number 2 of the North Division Finals. Battle between San Juan and Rizal. Abante nga ng pito. Itong makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Gutierrez for 3. Off the mark. Rizal looking to run once again. Villas finds Perez for the easy bucket.
Much needed score by the Rizal squad. No? Kailangan na nilang pumuntos dito dahil medyo naubos na yung oras para sa side nila.
Okay, down to 5. Donato on the move. Outside to Andre. Gets stripped. Jump ball. Itatawag dito ng ating officials. Babalik ang bola dito sa Rizal. Possession arrow will be for the red shirts. Look to draw something up. For the final 2:09 here in this game. Take another look at that fast break. Para sa Rizal, switch 5 or Villas connects with Perez. Timeout brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile. (64-59). Abante pa rin ang San Juan ng 5. We'll approach the final 2 minutes here in this ball game. If San Juan wins, that will be it. They are the North Division finalists, champion rather. But Villas trying to carry Rizal to a comeback. Cuts the lead down to 3, 64-61. Turnover para San Juan. Villas going to knock down the triple. Eliescas gives him another opportunity. Langit. Gets the pick from Perez. Ray John for three. Off the mark. Could have tied us up, but instead, San Juan. An opportunity na makalamang muli. More than three. Gadan. Pulls up. Ayaw din. Villas with a board. Lawrence. Spins. Shadowed by Ugadan. Gandang depensa doon ni Andre.
Good intention, pero yun nga, hindi na naman nahulog yung tira na yun. Pero maganda rin yung depensa na patakita doon ng San Juan.
One possession ball game. Both teams now in the penalty. Final 42 seconds dito sa ating laro. Gutierrez. Denied. The save. Ugadan with a hustle. Look at Langit. Comes up with a leather. The ball will stay with Rizal. And look at the players. Iba na talaga yung pagod dito.
Kahit ako napagod ako, tinitignan ko lang sila. Pero grabe yung hassle nitong bawat player na to.
Lawrence Villas taking quite some time to get up. Has 20 points for himself. Na mandatory na review dito on whose possession it would be. Initial call was Rizal basketball. It did appear to hit Andre Ugadan last.
Matagal pa to. Itong 25 seconds na to. Madami pong pwede mangyari dyan.
So just a one possession ball game. Ikaw ang result dito, John. Is there anything you're looking for specifically? Magtetres ka na ba? Or kind of the easiest look that you could get?
I think for me, easy to lang muna. Kasi you have 25 seconds pa. Babalik pa sa'yo. If ever. Pero let's see kung anong gagawin itong coaches ng Rizal.
Officials just about ready to make a decision. And the call will stay. Bola nga ng Rizal, switch fiber. They have 20 seconds on their shot clock. Down by 3, 64 to 61. Banks drumming. Sorry, drums banging rather. Nalilito na ako dito sa lakas ng tambol mo.
Motions
Sa
are high.
Oo eh. Get it into Latiga. Fires for three. Short. Shot clock is off. As a foul will be called against Mendoza. They had to give it up. Stop the clock. Ram Sharman. Chance para sa kanya to get some insurance free throws here para sa San Juan. Seems to be the shot that they were looking for, just going back to that play by Rizal. Final 19.1 here in this game. Sharma misses on the first. One more to make it a 4-point ball game. Able to hit on the second. 65-61. Rizal will call for a timeout. Now down by 4 points. So ibang complexion na rin to, John. You're down by 4. Ano naman ang hahanapin mo para sa Rizal switch fiber?
Quick 3. If ever kung wala, quick 2 and then foul. Pero mahaba pa yung 19 seconds kasi marami pa pwede mangyari dyan. Kailangan lang importante maka-convert itong Rizal. Kasi yun yung magdidictate dun sa susunod na mangyayari. Kailangan maka-convert sila for display ngayon. Tingnan natin kung anong kinrokis ni coach para dito sa team ng Rizal.
Yung 3-point shooting nila hasn't quite worked throughout the game. No? 2 out of 22 lamang from beyond the arc para sa Rizal Switch Fiber. Both teams already in the penalty. Any foul will mean free throws. 3.1 seconds into this game. Vergara finds an opening. Scoops it up and in. Was the quick bucket na hindi mo nga dyan. Really down to 2, 65-63. This time, San Juan's turn to call for a timeout with 11.6 seconds left here in this game. Take another look at that move from Sean Vergara. Timeout muna tayo, brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile. Only 11.6 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro. Battle between makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors and the Rizal Switch Fiber for the right to call themselves the North Division champions sa ating 18 under. San Juan, of course, looking to close this out. Rizal trying to extend this to a game number 3. Bola dito ng San Juan. Expect Rizal to foul. San Juan will be able to safely inbound the leather. Gutierrez gets into Ogadan, and that's the foul given up there by Sean Vergara.
Importante itong free throw na mangyayari dito kay Ogadan, no?
He's played excellent throughout the game. A double-double performance, 15-11. Samahan mo na rin ng 3 assists. Was only able to split his charity sa kanyang last 2 trips. Trying to go 2 for 2. Make this a 2-possession ball game. Gadan knocks down both. Back to a 4-point ball game, 67-63 with only 10.4 seconds left. Rizal will call for another timeout. Ganun pa rin ba dito, John? If the 3 is there, you take it, or and then a quick 2, or press na lang ba talaga yung kailangan mo hanapin dito?
For sure, syempre, unang titingnan mo dyan, makakuha ka ng 3 points. At kung wala, tsaka ka dumiretso dun sa 3 points. Kasi medyo 10.4, malaki pang minuto. Pero as much as makakakuha ka ng 3 points, yun yung titingnan mo.
Of course, Rizal out of timeout. San Juan still have 1 to burn. The defending North Division champions, Rizal Switch Fiber, on the brink of elimination. They've been playing catch-up for throughout the game. No? Talagang every time kala mo, makakahabol na sila, nasa kasaran ng tubo dito ng makabagong San Juan.
Sobrang dikitan tong game natin na hindi mo alam talaga kanina.
Vergara gets it into Ladiga on the attack. Iniluwa yung kanyang layup. Just kind of afternoon para kay Ray John.
Libre na yung layup na yun.
And Axel Mendoza will be called for his 5th and final foul. As Sharma has a chance to ice it. Makes this a 5-point ball game, 68-63. To the delight of the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warrior crowd dito nga sa Paco Arena. Another free throw para kay Ram Sharma. Misses on the second. Aurita with a board. Final 2 seconds na lamang. As makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors will close the series out with a sweep. Winning in Caloocan and winning here in Paco Arena. And they will be crowned the new North Division champions sa ating 18 under. Defeating the former champions in Rizal. Final score nga is 68-63. What a ball game that was, John.
Grabe, no? Kudos to both team, no? To show paano maglaro ng championship, no? Talagang makikita mo na gustong-gusto nilang manalo, no? Nanalo itong San Juan kontra dito sa Rizal. Kudos dito sa Rizal nang binigyan nila ng magandang game itong San Juan. Nandoon sila throughout the game. Talagang tinatry nila na makabalik. Yun nga lang sa endgame, kinulang na sila sa oras. Ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, kilalanin natin ang ating Junior MPBL 18 Under North Division Champion, makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors! How about a round of applause para sa ating bagong-bagong champions? And syempre, kilalanin na rin natin ang pinaka-nagningning katulong ang kanyang mga teammates, our most valuable player. Sino? 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 Congratulations, Andre Ugata! Puntahan natin si Andre. Of course, giving his trophy is Mr. J.R. Navarro. Andre, congratulations. Season 3 MVP. How big is this win for you, Andre?
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga teammate ko dahil nandyan sila tuwing kailangan ko sila and tiwala lang ako sa kanila. Kung wala sila, wala rin ako dito. Thank you.
Siyempre, puntahan rin natin si Coach. Coach, alam natin, hindi naging madali ang pagkuha nyo ng trophy na to. Pero, anong masasabi nyo sa journey nyo dito sa Junior MPBL?
Well, first things first, we would like to thank everybody, especially the supporters of the Junior MPBL, to How family, na nandyan lagi sa amin. Of course, to the Rizal team, who's gave us a great series. Hats off to Rizal. It's really a great series for this Junior MPBL League in the 18 under. The credit goes to the players. They really work hard for this. They followed the game plan in terms of our last quarter. So players really played this one. We are just them guiding them.
Coach, kanina nakausap rin kita. Sabi mo, kinakailangan pang papatibayan yung decision-making skills ng mga batang to. Pero sa laro nila kanina, naipakita ba nila yung hinahanap mo?
Yeah, nandun naman. But we need to more better because as times goes by, especially in the national finals, moving on the series, it's really hard. Mahirap pa talaga. So we need to more better and we need to work more in terms of our decision making.
Siyempre, meron na kayong trophy as a team. Ang maganda dyan, hindi pa nagtatapos dito dahil kikilalanin pa rin natin ang ating South Division finalist na makakalaban nyo. Coach, paano kayo maghahanda sa susunod na laban natin para sa finals?
Well, again, the two teams that are playing in the South is a really great team. So, paghahanda na mabuti talaga. So, after a break, we're gonna prepare them well really in terms of for us to achieve our goal.
Yun, Coach. Sige, konting kaway naman para sa ating North Division Champion!